सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ पेज नंबर 18 श्लोका नंबर 3 सशरीरमहो विश्वम् परित्यज्य मयाधुना कुतश्चित् कौशलादेव परमात्मा विलोक्यते Having received Brahma Vidya from Ashtavakra, the king Janaka reporting the result what he has received. That is Jnana Phalam. The benefit of knowledge he has derived from the teaching of Ashtavakra. From this second chapter onwards, Ashtavakra says, my delusion has gone. Aho, it is a great wonder. I am free from any type of bhranti, delusion, moha. Therefore, he says, I have understood that pure Brahman, the consciousness, Niranjanaha, that which is Shantaha, tranquil, that is Bodhaha, is of the nature of consciousness, as myself, Aham. Not only that, I have understood that I am Prakrutehe Paraha. I am beyond the Maya, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha. Anatma. That also I have understood. Until now I have that Bhranti, Sarira Abhimana, Mana Abhimana, Ahankara, Mamakara was there previously before coming to you. Etavantam Kalam. Until now. But after coming to you, I have got relieved from that Ajnanam. Mohad eva vidambitaha until now, but I am free now. So that is what he is telling. How na? Yatha prakashayami ekaha. Now he is presenting from second shloka onwards. What is his understanding exactly? What is his status of mind? Because paramanaha aprathyaksham. We do not know what is happening in the student's mind. Because apratyakshatvad. Guru can see only the sthula shariram. But sukshma shariram manas antakaranam puriyarada puriyalaya koncham puriyarada onnume puriyalaya ani guruku puriyadu. Unless that student reciprocate, again gives feedback, this is my understanding, so that teacher understands where we are. So we have to tell our understanding. Not that what Guru taught everything we should not reproduce. What is our understanding we have to tell. That's what Janaka Maharaja doing here. I am the illuminator of everything. What illuminator of everything means? Enam deham jagatapi. Just as I illumine my body, no? This inert body is illumined by me. This inert body made sentient because of me. Because I am Prakasha. People they keep name Prakash. Prakash means Chaitanyam Brahma. மூஞ்சிலோ கொஞ்சம் பிரகாஷம் கூட இருக்காது. பேருக்கு பிரகாஷ், பிரகாஷராவ், பிரகாஷ்னா. So the prakasha here means here consciousness, the illumination. Enam deham tatha jagadapi prakashayami. We should not take it literally. I illumine the world means how we have to understand satta pradata. Aham satta pradasyami. I am the giver, lender of existence. That is called prakasha. I give existence to every object. Every object, nama rupa, cannot exist independent of me, the existence. Sadrupena, chidrupena, aham sarvam prakashayami. As consciousness, existent principle, I enlivens the body mind complex, inert body mind complex, I make the body sentient. What about other objects, inanimate objects? They don't have sukshma sariram. Therefore, my chidrupam is not manifesting there. My sadrupam only is available in bhogya prapancha. So, sadeva chit, chideva sat, yatra sadvartate, tatrayeva chidapi vartate. Wherever there is existence principle, there itself consciousness. But in this desk, consciousness is not available. Because Sat is all pervading. Sat alone, Chit means Chit must be all pervading. But we are not seeing the Chit in this desk. How we have to understand? To manifest the Chit, the desk doesn't have Sukshma Sariram, Antahkaranam. That is the reason. It is not the mistake of Atma, Satchidananda Atma. It is the nature of the desk. But the listener of Ashtavakra Gita, the speaker of Ashtavakra Gita, fortunately not like a desk. Okay. Fortunately, the listener, the speaker of Ashtavakra Gita is a sentient principle because subtle body is available. Even though the desk is sitting in front of Swamini from past 13, 14 years, desk can never say Aham Brahmasmi. Satti is there, Chitti is there. Okay. Suppose the student also sitting in front of the teacher, no change like a desk மாதிரி இருந்தேன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? சித்து வேலை பண்ணலன்னு அர்த்தம். Not sentient enough to receive the teaching. Not qualified to receive the teaching. Because டெஸ்க்கு அவனுக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. ஸோ அதனால ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் வரணும் இல்லையோ, மாற்றம் வரணுமா இல்லையா? Attitudinal change, perceptive change, perspective change, Atma, Anatma change, difference. Therefore he says, Ataha, Jagat Sarvam Mama. Entire universe is depending upon me, the existent consciousness principle. Janaka Maharaja is not saying Jagat Sarvam depending upon Atma, he didn't say. What word he is using? Mama. Jagat Sarvam, Idam Jagat Sarvam Mama. Is depending upon me. I am the Satta Spurti Pradata. If I am not there, world doesn't exist. So that is called claiming, owning up of Atma Swarupam as oneself. Otherwise, we talk about Atma wonderfully. Describe Atma, description of Atma exactly as teacher says, without missing a single word. That is not giving any benefit for us. What I have to say, that Atma, I am. I am. That's my real nature. We have to say when? One day or other. At least. So therefore he says, Mama idam jagat sarvam. Adhava nacha kinchana. The entire universe is within me. I am not in them. Nacha kinchana. Really speaking, world is not there. Really speaking. First statement is what? The entire universe is depending upon me. Really speaking, there is no world at all. How to understand this? I told you, Gita Acharya, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Masthani sarva bhutani. All beings are in me. Nachamasthani bharata. I am not in them. Nothing is there. Really speaking, the clay can say all pots are in me. But I am not in, the pot is not in me. I am in the pot. இந்த பாட்டு வச்சுட்டே இதெல்லாம் கடம். ஓகே, clay can say I am in the pot, I am in all earthenwares, but pot is not in me. And a pot may come and go. Wherever there is a pot, there is clay. Wherever there is clay, you cannot say there is a pot. இது ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் போகும் புரியறதுக்கு. மூளை இருந்தா கொஞ்சம், you are not a big intelligent person for this. Yes, you need not become a big intelligent person. Gold medalist ஆகணும் தேவையில்லை. Wherever there is clay, pot need not be there. But wherever pot is there, clay must be there. Understand? So wherever Atma is there, Nama Rupa need not be there. But wherever Nama Rupa is there, Atma must be there. Why na? Without Atma, Nama Rupa cannot exist. Who is sitting here? Nama Rupa sitting. Atma never sit. Okay, Atma can never sit. To sit you require body. புரியுறதா? Who is sitting? Nama Rupa Shariram is sitting here. So Atma must be there. In between, Atma is there, body is not there. So wherever there is body, Atma must be there. Wherever Atma is there, body need not be there. Over Vedanta. I will repeat again. Wherever body, mind, complex, any Nama Rupa for that matter, not only human being, wherever body, mind, complex, Nama Rupa is there in the world, not only living beings, even any object for that matter, any object, there must be Atma, Sat-Chit principle. Because Atma Sarvagataha, it is all pervading. But Nama Rupa need not be there everywhere. There is so much of place without Nama Rupa. In between you and me, here and near the wall, what is there in between? Nothing is there, here. Only Nama Rupa is not there, only empty space is there, easiness is there. But without Nama Rupa also, Atma Sat can exist. But without Atma, nothing can exist. Who is that? I am. That Sat I am. Now I am in this body available. That is why we need not wait for any spiritual experience. I need not, I cannot work for spiritual experience. Spiritual na edo spirit illa. Spiritual experience, because that spirit happens to myself. No, I am the spirit. Why I have to get spiritual experience? People talk about spiritual experience. I have got a nice spiritual experience now. When you are the spirit, Atma, why you want to experience the spirit? Already you are the Atma, the spirit. Spiritual being you are. Why you require any experience at all? Therefore, what I have to say, I am spiritual being. I need not have any spiritual experience. I am not human body with spiritual experience, but I am the spiritual being with human, temporary human body, mind experience I have. This is the reverse case. We have to reverse it. Previously I was struggling. Let me get Atma Anubhava, spiritual experience. I want to get. Shastra says, why you want to get spiritual experience when you are that like that sugar, want to taste that how the sugar is in. Sugar want to taste itself. Everyone can experience the sugar, but sugar need not experience the sugar. It is already sweet. Like that, I the Atma I am like a sugar. I need not experience myself. People want to experience Bhagavan. Let's say first stage of religion is faith in God. First stage of religion, faith in God. Wonderful. I am Dasaha, our Swami. Continue for some time, few decades also you can take, doesn't matter. But second stage of religion is what? Faith in Bhagavan's teaching. Faith in Bhagavan's teaching. Not in God all the time. First faith in God, transform that faith in God or replacement of faith in God into faith in Bhagavan's teaching. That is what Janaka has totally assimilated the teaching. The Vedanta, now he is telling, Sasharira Aho Vishwam. In third sloka, he says, Aho, it is wonder. It's a great wonder. Aho, what is that wonder? Adhuna Sashariram Vishwam Parityajya. Adhuna, after receiving the teaching from you, Adhuna, what I did, Sashariram Parityajya. I have falsified my body. Sashariram, Sharira Sahitam. Sharira means Mithyanatva Nishchayaha. This Shariram is nothing, a bundle of chemicals. It is a bundle of chemicals. Sashariram Parityajya means not leaving the body. You cannot leave the body whenever you want. Here Parityajya means leaving the body means what? Only body is made out of matter. This is not my nature. I am not body. Nischayam, understanding. That is called Parityajya. Koppara and artham. Eppadi koppara adilo irukuma shellilo Without going outside, it is there, but it is detached. Here also, mentally, intellectually, I detach from the body. Ahankara mamakara rahityam eva parityagaha. Ahankara mamakara. Ahankara towards my own body, mind, and mamakara towards the people, family connected to this body. That is called mamakara. First, ahankara. I am association with my own body, mind, and association with the people who are connected to this body. This ahankara, mamakara, tyagaha, attachment, detachment with attachment. Detachment with attachment. Dukkha samyoga viyogaha. Dissociation from the association of the body, mind, family, possessions, profession. Dissociation from the association of body, mind complex. Called parityagaha, parityajya. How I have done this in kutaschit kaushalena. Somehow I have managed. Somehow I have managed. எங்கேயோ குரு வந்துட்டு இருக்க அப்படி அப்படி பிடிச்சிட்டு அவரை உட்கார வச்சுட்டு அவருக்கு நிறைய காசு கொடுத்துட்டு, காசுன்னா தட்சிணா கொடுத்துட்டேன். By pleasing all the gurus who are all coming jnanis into my kingdom, kutaschit kaushalena, intelligently, not wasting my wealth, I have spent my wealth for jnanartham. I have spent my wealth for jnanartham. When Yajnavalkya came, what Janaka said? 1,000 cows decked with golden, all medals, I am ready to give. Which Raja is there? No other Raja, only Janaka Maharaja. Janaka Maharaja could do that because he is a mumukshu, he is a jignasu. So that wealth he made useful. So kutaschit kaushalan, that is also kaushalan, no? So everyone, if they don't want money, they don't want your wealth, but by giving, they know how much value you are giving for Vidya. They know how much value you are giving. This money, this wealth is nothing in front of Brahma Vidya. This money, my wealth, my kingdom, my property, my possessions are all nothing in front of the Brahma Vidya that Guru is giving. That is what Janaka Maharaja, so great. So the Guru also understands that this how much mumukshutvam is there, tevra mumukshutvam irukka illaya. Illana panam pudichunde, chavi vidamal, not spending even a single pi. Please give Brahma Vidya. No, who will give? Not that they want money. They know still you have dhana abhimanam. When you have dhana abhimanam that much, how Brahma Vidya can come? Our ஏற்கனவே சன்னியாசி எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு பரிவிராஜகனா இருக்க, அவருக்கு ஒண்ணுமே வேண்டாம். That Guru sees how much you are having that vairagyam towards wealth. புரியுறதா? இதில் சீக்ரெட் புரியணும். அது புரிஞ்சா அதுக்குள்ள பொடி இருக்கு பின்னாடி இல்லையோ. I am not giving any dakshina, bhuri dakshina, lot of amount, because in front of this knowledge my wealth is nothing and bhavana and the சிஷ்யனுக்கு இருக்கணும். நம்ம என்னடான்னா பிடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், அப்படியே பணம் பிடிச்சுண்டு அது அவருக்கு தேவையில்லை. அவர் ஏற்கனவே சன்னியாசி, நான் வச்சுக்கிறேன்னா அவர் ஏற்கனவே சன்னியாசி, அவனுக்கு எதுக்கும் நிறைய பேர் கொடுக்குறேன், நான் கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். இப்படி பிடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், என்ன ஆகும் தெரியுமோ? பிரம்மனுக்கு தெரியும். எந்த பிரம்மன்? நிர்குண பிரம்மனுக்கு தெரியும். இவனை கேட்டால் நான் போக மாட்டேன்ப்பா இப்போ. என்ன பற்று, தனகாங்கே போகாதவனுக்கு வைராக்கியம் எங்கே இருக்க, எங்கே பிரம்ம ஜானம் வரப்போகிறது? புரியுறதா? நாட் ஸோ ஈஸி டு கெட் பிரம்ம வித்யா. சர்வசங்க பரித்யாக மனஸ் அப்படி இருக்கணும். தட் இஸ் வை தைத்திரியோபனிஷத் சேஸ், please your Guru by offering everything. whatever Guru needs. Offer, please him. That shows the students' desire for knowledge, vairagyam towards possessions. Why I want to say Janaka Mahara is the best exemplary for that. Kutaschit kaushalena idella vandadu enakku. Idella kaushalanda. And Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwasam, Sarvam. Paramatma maya vilokyate. The supreme self, Paramatma. Parama means supreme. Atma means self. The supreme self, maya, by me, vilokyate, is understood. Supreme self is understood by me, grasped by me. Viloka means visualized and artham. Lokyate, visualized. Vilokyate, visheshena, extremely, without any doubt. Like that I have received the knowledge. Further he continues, then everything is Brahman. The question, the doubt may comes. If everything is Brahman, how this world appears in front of me? I am not seeing Brahman. I see only world in front of me. How this is possible, this world? For that, Janaka Maharaja clarifying, this is only just appearance. How it is appearing? Like this. He gives 3 examples. Classical Shastric examples often quoted in our Upanishads. We will read the 4th shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. Yatha nato yato bhinna bhinnaha taranga fena budbhudaha Atmano na tatha bhinna Vishwamatma vinirgatam. Yatha, just as the world is nothing but like this. The world what you are seeing in front of you, tangibly, solid Nama Rupa Prapancha, from morning to till evening, night, you are experiencing is nothing but like this. Like what? Yatha, just as Tarangaha Phena Budbudaha Toyataha na bhinnaha. Tarangaha means waves. Alai. Tarangaha, waves. Phena, nurai, foam. Budbudaha, bubbles. Waves, foam, bubbles, all of them are not different from toyataha na bhinnaha. Toyataha, from water. From water, they are not different. Bhinnaha means different. They are not different. Na bhinnaha. Toyataha means water. From waters. Panchami. Toyataha. From waters. Na bhinnaha. They are not different. They are what? They are not different means they are only water. Wave is also water. Nurai, no? Foam is also water. Bubble is also water. They are not different. Like that, tatha, in the same manner, tatha, Atma vinirgatam vishvam. Atma vinirgatam. Vinirgatam means that which emerges out. Vishwam, the universe. The universe which emerges out from Atma. Atma vinirgatam. Jala vinirgatam, no? The waves, foam, bubbles are all emerged out of water. Emerged means born out of water, manifest out of water. Similarly, Atma Vinirgatam Vishwam. The universe is born out of Atma. Atma Vinirgatam Vishwam. Atmanaha na bhinnaha. It is not different from Atma. Atmanaha, from Atma, the Satchidananda Atma, this Vishwam is not separate. Why? No? Because this is born out of Atma. Just as the what wave and bubble and foam all born out of water, therefore they are not different from water. Similarly, entire Nama Rupa Prapancha, whatever you are seeing is born out of Atma. They are also not different from Atma. Adi puriyaradi, idi puriyala. Foam, waves, what all are born from what? No, very easy to understand. But how to understand they are all born from Atma, all these? No. Satta. Satta. No. The existence, easiness, by giving easiness, lending easiness, that you cannot see that easiness. When you see the wave, you forget it is water. When you see the foam, you forget it is water. When you see the bubble, you forget the water. You enjoy the bubble. You see the bubble, bubble, bubble. Now. You become bubbling and bubbling, happy, joy. Now. Because the bubble is so attractive. Foam is very attractive. Wave is attractive. In that attraction, you forget its nature. Similarly, Nama, Rupa, beauty, charm, novelty, variety, by seeing all these, we forget its nature essence, the easiness. We have lose sight of, we forget the Nama Rupa attracts us and we forget its essence. That's what he says here. Next shloka. This is one example. Another example, Tantu example, cloth, Pataha. Patana vastram, Patadrishtantam. Okay, we'll read. Tantu matro bhave devam Pato yadvad vicharitah Atmatan matrame vedam Tadvad vishvam vicharitam. Vicharitaha. As long as you are not doing any enquiry, you will continue only in Bhranti. You will continue in Bhranti superimposition. Once you start Vicharana, the enquiry, you understand its nature. Vicharana means what? Enquiry, analysis. Vicharitaha san. That enquiry must be done. What do we do in Vedanta class? Analysis. It is called Mimamsa. Mimamsa means analysis. Threadbare analysis. Threadbare analysis. That is called Vicharitaha. Once you do Vicharanam, Vicharitaha, Pataha Yadvatu Tantu Matraha Bhavet Eva. The moment you take a cloth into your hand and you look at the cloth, Vicharana Pandanu, Vicharitahana. You have to do Vicharana. And you see that Tantu means thread. Tantu means thread, fiber. The thread, Pataha is nothing but Tantu Matram. Vertical and horizontal, Otaprotam, woof and warp. vertical and horizontal thread put together vastram, pataha. What is pataha? You take out the vertical threads, horizontal threads one by one, sit and do that. Kash ಎಲ್ಲ தாரம் போக போக ஒன்று ஒன்று எடுத்துடுவோம். எடுத்தால் என்ன இருக்கும்னா வஸ்திரமா இருக்குமா? பட்டா கேன் பி தேர். ஸோ you can understand this intellectually. You need not physically remove the thread. I want to know there is only thread. Vastram is not there, therefore I want to take out now. Practically you need to do that. Is it necessary? Intellectually you can understand, no? Because of thread, you go and see that weaver once in a while. When you go to village, அந்த காஞ்சிபுரம் போனால் தெரியும் நன்னா. அந்த வீவர் கிட்ட போய் கொஞ்ச நேரம் உட்காருங்க. ஓகே, just only that wooden things are there, he keeps ready. You sit for half day, he will finish that saree, full saree. போய் பாருங்க, நிஜமா சொன்னோம், சும்மா இல்லை, நிஜமா பாருங்க போய். You sit and observe. There is no saree at all. There is no vesti at all. There is only a thread. Tantu matravadeva. Who says? Janaka Maharaja is telling. Na sollala. Okay, varungo. Tantu matraha bhavet. When na pata vicharitaha. Avicharitam. Without inquiry you cannot know. It is tantu. இந்த ஷர்ட்டு நன்னா இருக்கே, தீபாவளி ட்ரெஸ்ஸு ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்குன்னா, ரொம்ப டிசைனு, பார்டர் இஸ் வெரி நைஸ், திஸ் நைஸ், தட் நைஸ். ஸோ வி ஆர் அட்ராக்டட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் வாட்? நாம, ரூபா, கலர், அந்த ஜெரி, அந்த டிசைனு, அந்த குவாலிட்டி, ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் குவாலிட்டின்னா. திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அவிச்சாரிதான்னா. பிகாஸ் வி டோன்ட் டூ எனி மீமாம்சா. தீபாவளிக்கு அந்த ஷாவுக்கு போய், நல்லிக்கு போய், குமரனுக்கு போய் விசாரத்தையும் பண்ணால் இதை சென்ட் யூ அவுட்டு, யூனோ. அங்கே என்ன விசாரம் பண்ண முடியும்? வீட்டுக்கு விசாரம்னா தமிழ் விசாரம் இல்லை. விசாரித்தகன்னா வாட் இஸ் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் திஸ் கிளாத்? இஸ் தேர் எனி கிளாத்? இஸ் தேர் எனி கிளாத்? தெர் இஸ் நோ கிளாத் அதர் தேன் thread. Pataha eva nasti tantu eva asti patarupena. Cloth is not there at all, only thread is there in the form of vastram, in the form of cloth. Now you are all wearing dress. Adi pathile ninga gnanam vandridam. Idu or classical example from the Shastra. So yadvat vicharitaha pataha tantru matra bhavedeva yadvat, like that. Tadvat, அதே மாதிரி. எப்படியோ அப்படி. எப்படின்னா எத்வத்தன எப்படியோ, தத்வத்தன அப்படியே அர்த்தம். எத்வத், just as the cloth is not different from the fiber, same way similarly tadvat. Vishwam vicharitam, vicharitam vishwam. Tadvat idam vishwam, idam vicharitam vishwam. When you sit in Ashtavakra Gita class, vicharitam vishwam. Other TV serial munnadi ukkaandana avicharitam vishwam. Where can you do vicharitam analysis, மீமாம்சா? Only in the class. ஸ்ரோத்ரிய பிரம்மனிஷ்ட குரு முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்தா தான் விசாரணம் பண்ண முடியும். நம்ம தனியாக உட்கார்ந்தோன்னா இந்த உலகம் தலைவலி, நெய்பர் ப்ராப்ளம், வாட்டர் ப்ராப்ளம், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி ப்ராப்ளம், இந்த ப்ராப்ளம், அந்த ப்ராப்ளம், இந்த விஷயம் தான் நமக்கு தெரியும். Once I do vicharana through study, Vedanta study, Vishwam is nothing but Atma. Atma tanmatrameva idam. Atma tanmatram, only Atma. Is there anything other than that thread in this cloth? Nothing is there. Tantu matram. And the matram is very important. Tantu matram. In the world, Atma matram. Adenna Swamini, Atmanna. Sattu Chittu Ananda. Consciousness existence principle. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ ఎగ్జిస్టెంట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అన్న మళ్ళీ తిరిగి పిన్నాడిపోకూడదు. ఓకే, అదే సత్తా, ఈజ్నెస్, కాన్షియస్నెస్, దట్ ఈస్ దట్ విశ్వం, దట్ అలోన్ ఈస్ విశ్వం. నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక, అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. శ్లోక నెంబర్ 6. యథైవేక్షురసే క్లుప్తాం తేన వ్యాప్తైవ శర్కరా తథా విశ్వం మయి క్లుప్తం మయా వ్యాప్తం నిరంతరం. These are all what? Nididhyasana shlokas. Every day you have to do Nididhyasanam by chanting those shlokas. This is my nature. Now, yatha, just as ikshurase klupta sharkara. Ikshurasa means sugar cane juice. Sugar cane juice. The sugar cane, that crystal, sharkara means sugar crystal. Sugar crystal is, if you taste it, what is it na? Full of ikshurasam. It is sugar cane juice, made out of sugar cane juice, produced from sugar cane juice. Sharkara klupta. Klupta means produced. Ikshurase klupta sharkara. So that sharkara produced from this one, what is ikshurasam? Ikshurasam means sugar cane juice. Tena vyapta eva. So that the sugar cane juice is pervading in that crystal, sugar crystal. Where and which side? Left side or right side, up or down? Whole sugar crystal. Whole sugar crystal is nothing but sugar cane juice only everywhere. Purastat, dakshinataha, vamataha, adhaha, sarvam. Everywhere it is there. Sharkara eva. So sugar cane juice is karanam, sugar is karyam, product. Karanam, karyam. Karyam is not different from the karanam, the cause. Karyam, the product, sugar, is not different from the cause. What is the cause? Sugar cane juice. Can sugar crystal exist without sugar cane juice? So therefore, karyam is nothing but karanam only. Karanam alone appearing in the solid form, their liquid form. Clear that? Nirguna Atma only appearing in Saguna form. Idema body mind complex is like sugar crystal. Atma is like ikshurasam. Ikshurasam and sugar cane juice. Atma is like ikshurasam. Body mind is like sugar crystal. Appadi nee sweet irukkan solladungo. Okay, it is like sugar crystal. Tatha Vishwam mai kluptam. The entire universe is produced by me, or is there in me. Kluptam idam Vishwam mai, in me. In me alone. Klupta means produced. Kluptam maya vyaptam nirantaram. It is pervaded by me all the time. When that sugar cane juice pervading that sugar, when that sugar cane is pervading, sugar cane juice is pervading the sugar all the time. You take out the sugar cane juice and keep the sugar crystal there. Because sugar cane juice alone is sugar. Sugar alone is sugar cane juice. they are not separate. Similarly, tatha idam vishwam mayi kluptam. The entire universe is pervaded by me all the time. Where? Chair is, man is, mic is, desk is, fan is, light is, woman is, daughter is, son is, and the easiness ruped. And the easiness theriyale Swamini, son da theriyada, daughter only I am seeing. Through daughter you have to analyze the easiness. There is no daughter without easiness. There is no man without easiness. There is no chair without easiness. That is why whenever you use the word man is, woman is, house is, book is, office is. Tomorrow it is not there. Monday office is. Tomorrow is also office is there, but they are not open. Office is. That easiness is there everywhere. What about I is and Cholveda? I am. And the amness and easiness. Remove amness and easiness. எப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்ண முடியும்? Physically you cannot remove. Physically you cannot see. அதுக்கு தான் விசாரிதா. You have to analyze and understand. You say I am, you are using, then only you are telling what I am, what I am going to do. I am க்கு அப்புறம் தானே எல்லாமே. I am இல்லாமல் வேணும்னு சொல்ல முடியாதே இல்லையா? நான் இருக்கேன், அப்புறம் நான் எப்படி இருக்கேன் அதெல்லாம் அப்புறம் கதை. அந்த கதை இல்லை, நிஜம் இல்லை, அது கதை. அயம்ங்கிறது கதை இல்லை, நிஜம். புரியுறதா? நான் இருக்கேன்ங்கிறது நிஜம். நான் எப்படி இருக்கேன், எங்கே இருக்கேன், என்ன பண்ணுறேன் நல்லதெல்லாம் பொய். அது ஒன்லி ட்ராமா. அது ட்ராமா. ஓகே, அது ட்ராமான்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. அந்த ட்ராமா பண்ணுறவன் யாரோ அவன் நிஜம். புரியுறதா? நான் நிஜம். நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், எப்படி பண்ணுறேன், எப்படி இருக்கேன், அது எல்லாமே என்னுடைய விபூதி. ஓகே, என்னுடைய என்ன, யாருடைய? I, the consciousness existence principle, nirantaram, I am there all the time. So I am pervading in which body? Where I am not pervading, you tell me first. Where I am pervading in a question keta, where I am not pervading, tell me first, then I will tell you where I am not pervading. Sarvam vyaptam, in the form of easiness. She also says I am, you also say I am. Okay, from human being standpoint, I am, I am, I am. From objects standpoint, is. Helping verbs, sahayaka kriya, English la. In the helping verbs. In the helping verbs ella vittitu namo, in the nama rupa we are giving. Crystal we are enjoying. How many of us remembering sugar cane? Daily sugar dabba எடுத்துட்டு ஒரு ஸ்வீட்டாவது வாயில போட்டு sugar you are all enjoying. How many of us remember sugar cane? இது sugar cane juice மூலமா வருது. ஞாபகம் இருக்குதா? தப்பி தவறி டின்னருக்கு போனா சுவாமி எனக்கு மேரேஜ் ஃபங்க்ஷன், டின்னர், ரிசப்ஷன், யாருக்காவது சுகர் கேன் ஜூஸ் ஞாபகம் வந்ததா? நானும் சாப்பிட்ட பாயசம் இன்னைக்கு எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வரல, வராது. அது ஏன்னா அந்த பாயசம் அவ்வளோ ஸ்வீட்டாக இருக்கும். அதில் எல்லாம் பாதம் இது கேஷோ கீஷோ போட்டு பால் பண்ணி எல்லாம் சேமியா எல்லாம் பண்ண உடனே நமக்கு சுகர் கேன் ஆகுது, ஒன்றும் ஆகுது சாப்பிடணும். அதான் அது மாதிரி நம்ம கூட என்னென்னா இதெல்லாம் பாயசம். நாம, ரூபா, கலரு, கான்ஃபெக்ஷனு, ஹைட்டு, வெயிட்டு, பொசிஷனு, ஸ்டேட்டஸு, இதெல்லாமே எல்லாம் ட்ரெஸ்ஸுடப்பு பிரம்மன். இந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸுடப்பு பிரம்மன்னா பிரம்மன்னே மறந்துட்டோம். யார் தானே அந்த பிரம்மனே ட்ரெஸ்ஸப் ஆன உடனே அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸில் மயங்கிட்டார். அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸு தான் மாயா ட்ரெஸ்ஸு. மாயா ட்ரெஸ்ஸில் மயங்கி போயிட்டோம். அப்படி மயங்கினா சும்மா பரவாயில்ல, மயங்கி அழுதுண்டு இருக்கோம் அப்புறம், அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். மயங்கிட்டான்னு சும்மா ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கலாம் இல்லையோ, இருக்க மாட்டோம். ஒன்ஸ் ஐ டேக் மாயா, இட் ஹேஸ் காட் ஜனன மரண, டெத், பர்த், ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வில் பி தேர். ஸோ துக்கா வில் கம். Therefore, wear the dress, but remember who is wearing the dress. Dress is not you. The one who is wearing is true. I, the Atma, am wearing the body dress. Gross body dress, subtle body dress, causal body dress. I, the Atma, am wearing. This is one dress wearing. Another dress, 3 dress wear. உள்ள ஸ்தூல சரீரம், சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், காரண சரீரம். Whose சரீரம் is that? ஷரீரி, I am. I have 3 bodies. இப்படி சொல்லணும், இப்படி சொல்லணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. Then how this world appearance to understand, and he says, he clarifies further doubts. The possible, the world appearance, how I can see the Atma in that? You have to understand in this manner. Atma jnana jagat bhati, Atma jnana na bhasate, Rajva jnana dahit bhati, दहिर्भाति तज्ज्ञानाद् भासते नहि. Janaka Maharaja says, hey Ashtavakra, I don't say I am in the world, but I say world is in me. I don't say I am in the world, but world is in me. Clay never say I am in the pot. Clay says pot is in me. Clay says pot is in me. Similarly, I don't say I am in the world. Sarvam Atmamayam. Appadille. I am in the world. World is in me. Nama Rupas are in me. Appadi sollanum. Why this world appears? World is appearing as world, not as Atma. No? Because Atma Ajnanam. Because of Atma Ajnanam. For that he gives an example. Another classical example. Our good old example. Rajju Sarpa. Rajju Ajnanat Ahihi Bhati. Second line we see first Drishtantam, then Darshtantam. Drishtantam is an example. Darshtanta means that Drishtanta for which we use to explain. Drishtantam we use, for which sake we use is called Darshtantam. For which topic sake we use the Drishtanta, that topic is called Darshtanta. So Darshtanta is what here Rajju Sarpa Drishtantam we are using for what sake na Darshtanta Atma Anatma Jnanartham. So Rajju Sarpa Drishtantam. Rajju Ajnanat Ahihi Bhati. Ahi enna palm, snake. Bhati means appears. What appears? Snake appears. When snake appears? When I have the ignorance of rope. Rajju Ajnanat. Rajvajnanat. Rajju Ajnanat. Rajvajnanat. Rajju anna kair. Rope. Because I do not know the rope as rope, therefore, what appears? Ahihi bhati. Snake appears. Tad jnanat nahi bhasate. Tad jnanat. Tad means rajju jnanat. By the knowledge of the rope as rope, तज्ज्ञानात् तज्ज्ञानात् रज्जुज्ञानात् नहि भासते. किं न भासते? सर्पः न भासते. Sarpa will not appear because I see rope as rope. When I see the rope as rope, how snake can appear? It cannot appear. When snake appears, I see the rope as snake, only snake appears. What is the condition? Because of manda andhakara, semi-darkness or twilight, that is the condition where I miss the rope, I see the snake. Are you happy by seeing the snake? Hey, I am seeing snake, on the rope. Odiya poidrom. Frightening, sweating, lot of fear because of that superimposition. I am superimposing the snake upon the rope. Rajju ajnanat ahihi bhati. Rajju jnanat, put light. Rope appears as rope. Snake disappears. Snake goes. Where it goes? Snake goes. You understand there was no snake, there is no snake. Where its snake goes? There is no snake to go away. Similarly, first line, Darshtanta. Darshtanta. கதை நன்னா இருக்கும். திருஷ்டாந்தம் எப்பவுமே ரொம்ப சூஸியா ஸ்வீட்டா ஜூஸியா இருக்கும். ஆத்ம அஜ்ஞானாத் ஜகத் பாசதினர். Jagat bhati. Bhati means illumines, manifest, appears. Bhati means appears. Atma ajnanat. Because of the ignorance. Ajnanat means because of ignorance. What ignorance? Atma ajnanat. Kim bhati? Jagat bhati. World appears. So, my daughter appears, my son appears, my house appears, my everything, all possessions appears, my land, my property, everything appears, my body appears. So many different things appears because of Atma Ajnanat. Atma Ajnanat Bhati. Then the problems, each one is having also Bhati. Everything Bhati appears. For me, they are all real, their problems are also real, body is real, body problem is real. All problems are real, 100% real. So, Jagat, Atma Ajnana, Jagat Bhati. Atma Jnana, Jagat na Bhati. Kim Bhati? Atma eva aham asmi iti jnayate. So, Atma jnanat na bhasate, jagat na bhasate. That means jnani ki in the world ellame disappear aidumo. Avaroda wife, her kingdom, Janakarki in the kingdom disappear aidumo. His wife, children, Sita also disappears. Janaka's daughter, my daughter I am not seeing because I got Brahma Jnana. Jagat na bhasate enna ella disappear aiduvana. Unnu agamata bhayapadadingo. Okay. Come to next class also. Okay, some people are afraid of Jnana. Jagat na bhastena avarku enna paapam onnume theriya maatengudhu. Avarku ella gnana vandachi avarku onnume theriyadu appadiye irupar. Unmattavatanu book ella eludhuva. Unmattavathu appadiye paithiyakaran maadhiri irupana gnani enna yaar sonnappa avarda nijama wise person. Unmattana irukamaata. He knows gold is gold, copper is copper. He knows 500 rupee note also. 100 rupee note also they know difference. Jagat na bhati enna. This nama rupa is not real. It is only an appearance. It is a maya kalpitam. They don't have reality, really speaking. They are only nama rupa. You go and analyze, vicharitam pannanam. Skin, adukku keela blood, adukku keela bones. Vicharana. You have to do. Who am I? I am so and so. Who am I? Skeleton. And the skeleton mele skin. And the skin skeleton madhyalo konjam mamsam. Raktam. This is what I am. Every person is like that. This is called vicharitam. We have to do analysis. Am I right hand, left hand, or leg, or head, or about what am I in this body? If you do analysis, கண்ணாடி பார்த்துக்கும் போது பவுடர் அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது கூட விசாரணை பண்ண ரொம்ப நல்லது. அதுதான் விசாரித்தம். Whom I am dressing up every day. Whom I am dressing up. Vicharitam. Atmajnanat na bhasate. This is only nama rupa vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. It is only nama rupa, only for interactional purpose. There is no real body at all. The name is mithya, form is mithya, everything is mithya. That mithyatva nischayam varade romba romba kashtam. The more you go into deep into Shastra, study, then only that mithyatva nischayam comes. As long as that satyatam buddhi is there in the world, you can never falsify the world. As long as you are not falsifying the world will threaten you. There is marana bhayam, there is vyadhi bhayam, jara bhayam. Old age fear, death fear, and disease fear continues. Next shloka. In the next class. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.